Welcome to Fun Drawing with Piali. Here we show you different type of drawing with fun and easy way. So if you want to learn drawing in a fun and easy way with fun facts, then subscribe to our channel. Now let's start with today's topic. Hi my youngsters, I hope you all are very well. I'm also well. Anyway, so the weekend has come and weekend means it's time for fun drawing with Piali. Today's drawing topic, nature and sunset scenery drawing. So are you all ready? Let's get started. So kids, no matter who we are and what we do or where we are, the sun always rises at the specific time each day and also sets at the specific time each day. And regarding sunset, sometimes they are red, sometimes they are orange, and sometimes in some evenings they are brighter than others. So here are some 5 fun facts about science behind sunsets which you can expect to be more vibrant in the months to come. Fact number 1. Sunset, also known as sundown, is an event that happens daily during the end of the day, where sun goes below the horizon as a result of Earth's rotation. Sunsets are never the same each time they occur. They can be either really bright or really dull. They can come in colors of red, orange, yellow shades. Fact number 2. Many people have also noticed, sunsets that look pink or purple, making the sky look like a cotton candy. These differences in the colors of the sunset are because of the particles and molecules present in the air that are responsible for bending and scattering the light rays of the sun. Unfortunately, pollution creates some really pretty sunsets. Fact number 3. You would see sunrise in the morning, whereas sunset you would see in the evening. A sunrise and a sunset are very much different from each other, but on some occasions you can feel that the sunrise you saw in the morning is almost identical to the sunset you saw in the evening. This is due to the fact that there is not much difference in the light that is coming from the sun during these instances. The sunlight passes through the same distance of the atmosphere. Fact number 4. The position of the sun in our solar system is always at the center. For us, we see the sun rising in the east and setting in the west because of the Earth's rotation. That is what we see, not sun is actually rotating. As the Earth rotates, all the different locations on the Earth passes through the sun's light. As the place you live in turns toward the light of the sun rises in the east. As your city or town moves away from the sun, will begin to set in the west. Fact number 5, now the final one. As with twilight, there is civil dusk, nautical dusk and astronomical dusk, occurring at the exact moment when the center of sun's disk is at 6 degree, 12 degree and 18 degree below the horizon respectively. So these are the 3 types of sunsets. cute angels. We hope you really enjoyed today's sunset, nature, landscape, scenery drawing and these interesting facts. So, till we meet next week with an exciting drawing, watch Fun Drawing with Piali. Wow, that's fantastic drawing. Thank you, my little friends, for joining in today. And do not forget to subscribe our channel if you like our drawing sessions and you want to learn this fun and easy way of drawing and grow your knowledge with fun facts. We will see you soon with another exciting topic. Till then, stay safe at home. Bye-bye.